we're here at our 66th Sint Maarten Day celebrations happening on the Dutch side of the island this year. Sint Maarten Day is about bringing together both sides. You know, we are French and Dutch. That's why every year we trade off, 1 year on the Dutch side, 1 year on the French side. And this year it was our turn to bring everyone together as one people, one island, enjoying food, drinks, our cultural celebration, our cultural parade. And I know, you know, for the people in Aruba, we have a long history together. My mother's from Aruba, so for me it's also about inviting them to participate with us, join us sometime, and experience, our shared history as islands in the Caribbean, islands in the kingdom, and what we, as our unique position of being two sides sharing one landmass, can bring. And hoping to welcome everyone next year.